Actually, yesterday we decided that we will go to Kintamani and Bedugul. So I'm going to pick up Anna now. And while I'm driving, there are hundreds and thousands of boats or jobbers coming back from the fishing under the sails. Looks pretty impressive. Plan is to visit Kintamani and Bedugul areas. We've been there already. I made a video about that before the episodes. Since Anna never been there, it will be a little bit different. There will be like a true emotions. And anyways, the place is really beautiful, and since all these restrictions, so then it's something we can do. I don't know why, but I decided to choose the different road, and now we are somewhere in the mountains following the Google recommendations, but I'm not really sure that it's the best way how to go. This road is really narrow, all the time goes up in the mountain, up and down, and this is clove blooming. We just stopped for PP stop, and we just stopped next to the road, and I'm going to go to this Mabun waterfall. Girls decided to not go, but I definitely go. It's been abandoned for a pretty long time. As you can see, there is nothing really left from the trail. It looks pretty abandoned, but I don't know. It says 700 meters down. Well, there is like steps, and it feels cool. I will quickly run down. We'll check out what the waterfall is there. Should be enough water because it's been pretty rainy here. And while the girls drinking tea and eating apple pie, I will just figure out what is there. Beautiful waterfall. That's incredible. The water is really cold, but incredible view. Actually good that girls didn't go with me. It's like a trap. To go down is really easy, but now we have to go 700 meters up. So this is the next stop, just the view to North Bali. From here a little bit that way, and then you can see Java. I can see on a camera, you cannot see. Smile. Some jaruk. There's a lot of them. This is a region where there's a lot of jaruk. Like try. It's a little bit cold already here. If it's too much sun and too much heat, or the temperature is too high, you always can come to Kintamani. It's, I don't know, it's not that bad. It's like about 1.5 hours drive, and you are in Kintamani on Bedugul. Places, right? Haven't been here since it was December, or no, it was January when we were here, when we did hike to the top of the Batur, and then after that we came here. Thank you, Batur. We're going to Bedugul to eat some strawberries now. Really hard to transfer how high is it, but it is really high. Decided to buy some veggies. We are at Bedugul at the moment. This is a place I've been showing you already previously. This is a place where all the veggies comes from. Like there's a carrot growing.
You remember last time when we visit Putu? Again.
Yeah. Again? Madness?
Yeah, because this
Veggie
cauliflower
madness.
is super
Cauliflower
good.
is really good quality.
Yeah.
Really fresh. This one is Beratan Lake. Usually we've been always on that side. I didn't know that there is this sidewalk, or I don't know. You can walk one side and another side, like really low clouds. Here it looks really like in a Switzerland. It's amazing combination, nature combination. I mean, tropical country like Bali. Same time, pine trees, huge pine trees. Handara is a golf club. It was built at 1974, and this one is 18-hole golf court. Amazing place, especially I think you can play all day. If you're playing the golf, for example, in the south, in Sanur, there are also another golf clubs. It's really hot during the day. Well, here you can play golf all day long, and the weather is just perfect. I already posted that it's strawberry plates here, and now it's the best time for the strawberries. It's the biggest and sweetest ones. It's not really good year for the strawberries because it's rainy during the nights and hot during the day, so they are like a kind of not the best condition, but anyways.
This is gift.
Yeah.
All together we bought around 6 kilos now. It's a sunset time, time to go home. We are on our way back. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.
Turbi.